Firstly, in DTI, they are helping us very much in promoting our products in some of areas in Mindanao, not only in Mindanao but also in Manila, promoting our cocoa sugar, virgin coconut oil, coconut nectar, aminosos. And the Department of Agriculture also helping us. We almost received 16 million, including our trucks and the facilities. We are very much interested, and we feel not to feel behind, and we are always seeking the assistance of the DTI, especially DTI and the Department of Agriculture and other agencies involved. Not only for that, we need also the PhilMIC and the RAPID, because RAPID is growth program help us the kabuhayan, negosyo, and pang daily needs of our constituents.